This is video 6 in the HEX Innovate series on basic motorcycle maintenance. It gives a brief overview of how to remove and replace the motorcycle's air filter.
The procedures shown in this video may not apply to all motorcycles. Always follow the motorcycle manufacturer's recommendations for routine maintenance and repair. If any tasks shown in this video are beyond your ability, let a qualified technician with experience in the relevant vehicle do them for you.
The engine's air filter works to remove debris and contaminants from the motorcycle's incoming airflow. Airborne contaminants can include anything from dust and dirt to insects, stones, and larger debris like plastic bags. The air filter must be changed at regular intervals. If the motorcycle is regularly ridden in excessively dusty or dirty conditions, it will benefit from more frequent air filter changes. Not changing the air filter at regular intervals encourages excessive debris buildup on the filter, possibly causing the motorcycle's fuel-air mixture to be excessively rich. Two common standard types of air filter are used on motorcycles. The paper type is woven from extremely dense paper fiber with a very large surface area. This type gives the best protection at the cost of a slight reduction in airflow. The foam type is molded from open-cell polyurethane foam, which is oiled with an extremely tacky oil. The protection given by this type is about as good as that of the paper type, with the benefit of somewhat better waterproofing. Foam air filters can also be cleaned with a special soap solution, re-oiled and reused. Before starting this task, be aware that some motorcycles have more than one air filter. The engine on this BMW K1200S is fed by dual ram air ducts, each with its own air filter. To remove and replace a standard paper air filter, remove all bodywork and accessories covering the air filter housing. On this R1250GS Adventure, the upper center bodywork panel needs to be removed first. Wipe the air filter cover with a clean rag, or clean the area with compressed air. Make certain no debris or foreign matter can fall into the engine airbox when the air filter cover is removed. Remove the filter cover. In this case, the cover is held on by 4 screws. Note how the filter is oriented. Remove the air filter. Place the new air filter in its installation area. Replace the filter cover and tighten the screws. Replace all bodywork and accessories that were removed to be able to access the air filter.
The HEX GS911 has been independently rated as the best diagnostics and configuration tool for BMW, allowing you to reset service reminders, scan and clear fault codes, read real-time values, retrofit BMW accessories, do important maintenance procedures, and much more. See hexgs911.com for more information.